Bryce. Hey, Bryce.
Hey guys, this is Bryce with Two Brothers Power Sports in Onalaska, Wisconsin. Here to show you today one of our new Honda Talons with a couple extra goodies on it that will enhance your ride. You can see here we got 30-inch BF Goodrich mud terrain tires, paired up with a nice set of Sedona crank rims. You can see we also have the lower door enclosures here that seals off that door opening here, as well as a full poly-coated vented windscreen too, and also a nice rear cargo bag here straight from Honda. One of the cool things about this one too, we also added the full SSV audio kit here. Crank it up, listen to the tunes on the trail too. If the Talon's on your bucket list this summer, feel free to give us a call, stop one in, check them out for yourself.